Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Navy Federal Credit Card Union account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Navy Federal Credit Union account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Navy Federal Credit Union login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the login page of Navy Federal Credit Card account. Enter your username and password associated with your Navy Federal Credit Union account and tap on Sign In. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can log into your Navy Federal Credit Union account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.